5 reasons why people use herbal products. While herbal cleaning products are becoming increasingly popular, their use serves a much greater purpose than just following one of the latest trends. Household cleaners carry multiple risks, both known and unknown. Using herbal cleaning products addresses and eliminates these risks, allowing you to take better care of your home and your family. Commonly used household cleaners contain harsh chemicals, and very often these are among the most toxic substances found in the average home. The presence alone of these strong chemicals in your home can pose a danger to children or pets if accidentally ingested or if they come in contact with skin. But their use results in poor air quality through the release of volatile organic compounds. Even worse, these contaminants could potentially linger long after their application. Multiple studies have linked exposure to these harsh household chemicals to higher incidences of asthma, autism, cancer, leukemia, and other illnesses and health conditions. With this in mind, how can you ensure you make your and your family's health a priority? Using herbal cleaning products is one simple and effective way to make your home a healthy and safe place for you and your loved ones to enjoy. You can take control of the environment you create in your home by using herbal cleaning products. You will make your home chemical free and build an eco friendly environment that will help make this planet a better place. Your family will thank you for this. We need a clean environment so we can live healthy lives and leave future generations a healthy earth. What better way to cleanse our home and office environment using eco friendly products and make it a better place to live in? Eco Aura Organics clothes washing liquid comes in 3 variations. This clothes wash is made from plant extracts and surfactants. It cleans the toughest stains and is good for the hands and clothes. Eco Aura Organics clothes washing liquid is developed using high quality emulsifiers, organic and natural extracts, RO water, and perfumes. The surfactants used are formulations with years of research and development. It is herbal and organic product, gives effective cleaning, has a lasting fragrance, removes tough stains, and gives better dissolution. Why should you use herbal cleaning products? Here are 5 important reasons. Herbal cleaning products provide a healthier home. With herbal cleaners, you won't have to worry about exposure to toxins. That means you, your family, and your pets will no longer have to breathe in harsh chemicals lingering in the air or potentially come into contact with toxins that may remain on surfaces throughout your home. Herbal cleaning products yield better air quality. Herbal cleaners eliminate that strong chemical smell and replace it with the pleasant fragrances of essential oils. Not only does this mean no harmful volatile organic compounds are released into the air, but also it provides an added benefit of filling your home with beneficial and satisfying aromatherapy. Herbal cleaning products are safer. Conventional cleaners pose multiple risks such as chemical burns or illnesses if ingested. The presence of natural cleaning products in your home are much safer even around children. Because they are natural, there are no dangers if inhaled or if they come into contact with the skin. Eco Aura Organics dishwashing liquid comes in 2 variations. It is developed using high quality emulsifiers, organic and natural extracts, RO water, and perfumes. It is made from coconut based surfactants and lemon oils. It is a herbal and organic product, gives effective cleaning, has a lasting fragrance, gives lasting freshness and removes tough grease with great ease. Herbal cleaning products result in a purer environment. Using herbal cleaners also contributes to a healthier environment. They help reduce pollution to waterways and air. Conventional cleaners can easily seep into a water supply, and water treatment plants have difficulty treating a large volume of such chemicals. Over time, this can trickle down to wildlife and other natural resources. Herbal cleaning products are eco friendly and earth friendly. Herbal products claim to offer safer alternatives for humans and the planet. They keep our homes and places clean, beautiful, and germ and dirt free. Since being made from herbs and plant extracts, they are earth friendly cleaning supplies. Eco Aura Organics Glass Cleaner Solution comes in two variations. This herbal glass cleaner easily removes stains and dust. The cleaner works on any type of glass and leaves no residue, keeping the glass surface shiny and neat. It comes in a specifically designed simple spray bottle. Eco Aura Organics Glass Cleaner Solution is developed using high quality emulsifiers, organic and natural extracts, RO water, and perfumes. It is herbal organic product, gives effective cleaning, has a lasting fragrance, kills germs and brings shine, sanitizes well, and is shining clean in one wipe.